What's today? Tuesday? It is Tuesday after the drift day. Drift day was Sunday. Jason's got to pull out the back of the coupe here. I'll show you guys. So today we're not doing much, but we're still gonna keep up with you guys. So we're gonna pull out the back of this coupe. We're gonna go look at a different space because we are kind of in the market if it presents itself on a new space, I guess would be the best way to say it. It's not a rush, it's not forced, but if it is there, it makes sense. That's probably something we need to break down to you guys more because we kind of just popped up and started doing these videos and now we're getting a new space. It doesn't really probably make the most sense, but we're gonna go look at that. We're gonna pull out the back end of this thing as best we can. I'm just gonna film it. There's no we. Jason's gonna do it. And then there was something else. No? There was 3 things I thought today. Look at the spot, pull out the ass end. Okay, yes, so that's what we were gonna do. Had to stop for a second. We are going to go to the house, go to my place. We're going to my house after this. I gotta read it.
Start over, Jerry.
We're going to my house after this. We're gonna have some dinner. We're gonna look at the video that will be up by the time you guys see this of the drift day and the week, you know, of prep and everything before. Really not a lot of prep, kind of just a lot of bullshit. And I will give you guys an update. Maybe we'll make that a video as well of kind of like the coupe itself as well as like distinct and kind of what's going on and whatnot. We kind of just jumped in, but that's good. That to say, we really have a lot of stuff for content. We've got the coupe build pretty much that we have to do. And you guys are kind of jumping in after it's already been started, but really, you're here for the best, like the good stuff. Like, yeah. Like it was at paint and body forever. There was really nothing we could do. So now what you guys are gonna see is like us getting the engine back, putting it in the car, the whole engine bay, like all of that and everything like that Jason does. And then we've got this thing up here that I don't think we're talking about, but that is also a build that is going to be happening. Big build, big deal with that chassis up there. And then there's this that may need a tube rear end or something at some point. So who knows, but she needs some love because she's been a little neglected. And she shreds. So
new angle kit.
She needs new angle. She does need new angle.
Man,
Get it out, come on.
you're not supposed to use this tool this much.
Got the whole TV setup and everything. What's going on today?
You freaking messed it up, dude. You dented the good side. Oh man, ain't my first time using this thing.
It's not. That's why it looks like that. Been a little bit. The adjustable frame machine.
That's right. You could say the God-given frame machine.
All right, so it's 7 o'clock right now. We've been here since like 5. Pretty much nothing's gotten done from the last time that you saw us, but I think I put some random clips and whatnot in there. We're kind of filming multiple days at a time, just like we did in that last video, so I think that's what we'll be doing from now on. If anything, we're trying at the very least to upload once a week and to make that consistent. So it's happened to fall on Wednesdays, I believe, I think, but we want to keep that consistent. So we're kind of just filming what we do all the time. Sometimes it might be funner than others, like we had a private day, but also this upcoming week we have an event and we're also going to have a booth at that event, so that's sick. But we're just trying to film, like, you know, maybe some weeks are a little more entertaining than others, but this is what we do. This is what is going on here, and this is how it has existed, you know, all the way up until this point. You guys are just jumping in, but it's already kind of established, so we're just jumping in right, you're jumping in right with us, and we're just getting to it, and we're trying to figure it out too, so.
side. Whoa!
Jason wasn't gonna eat his greens.
Well, Jerry got on me. Good morning, for real.
Actually.
It's actually morning.
7 a.m.
Actually morning time.
Ready to drive.
5 p.m. 8 a.m. 8 a.m. It depends on, your time zone. Pacific Standard, Central Standard. We're in Eastern Standard here, but we're gonna get this car rolling so we can roll these non-mobile BRZs out of here so we can work on a real car. 240 SX.
Yeah, actually, let me go look at that.
The affordable luxury coupe.
Affordable. So this is Colby's S14. Colby's the one that you guys would have seen chasing us. Insert clip here. In the black Z, but this is his Zenki S14. Pretty sick.
Oh, I messed up.
You ready?
Yep.
I just push this down.
Yep, just push it down. Damn.
You're doing great.
You're doing great.
This is way easier than pumping the brakes. Cannot show what's in here, right?
We can show what's on there.
Can we?
Yeah.
It's hella great.
There's a Jay-Z in here.
Holy friend.
Looks like racks on shit.
Lower than I thought. What's wrong with it?
Is this in here?
God! God dang!
It came out like Coke. Like Coke.
Dude, that was a lot. You did the same exact reaction you did when you did this.
We were like, because we wanted to stop it. We didn't know how.
Thank you.
You're welcome. On to the next.
Oh, he went right for the camera.
I thought I was gonna jump on the shelf.
What you got there, buddy?
I got a new tool.
We actually didn't, I don't think we showed that, said that, or got that on camera, actually.
Should we show them?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right.
It'll cut. Oh, you just gonna take it? Jason behind the camera, huh?
What you know about this? All right. So you guys didn't see this, but in our whole ventures of this clutch situation with little Jerry pumping the brakes. All right. Yeah, the sleigh doesn't move yet.
Yeah.
Thanks, Jerry.
We
No.
we set the car down.
There's not a we.
Me.
I f***ed up on the brakes and you did that.
So I let the car down and the car stayed up. Wasn't sure why.
So you kept letting it down.
I kept letting it down and my impact took the hit. So it still works, like it functions.
It's actually like holding, because it was like pretty like.
Shout out Milwaukee
Yeah.
for a good tool here.
Thank you for the sponsor. This video is sponsored by Milwaukee. It's really not bad though. It still works, right?
Anybody have any ideas on how to glue this back together? Let us know.
JB Weld.
Solder it, dude.
JB Weld. Some zip ties.
What if it doesn't work?
JV Weld.
So anyways, we're 200 and some change probably into that clutch job. So we had Goopfoot's foot.
Yeah.
His hey dude's gone.
My foot was right under it too. Yeah, when I looked at it, you had a puddle on there.
Doing an oil change?
Yeah.
Impact.
YouTube's getting
Casualty.
expensive.
This YouTube thing is just.
We're gonna shut it down.
I've never had so many casualties working on cars until now.
So like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you later.
He went.
Like 40 years of problems.
Yeah.
See what Grandpa can do.
Happy 4th of July.
Got some hogs in a blanket here. If you don't know, now you know. Don't do pigs in a blanket. Do hogs in a blanket. Get you a full-size hot dog and wrap that sucker up in a croissant.
What do you know about hogs?
And then these, what are these?
White Castle.
White Castle sliders.
And we gotta put it back in so it can get melty.
Get it melted. Let it go. Here. Here's raw dog in a glass of whole milk before Mimi's. No chocolate, no nothing. Good night.
Right out the cow's teeth. What in the world is that, little Jay? What is that thing?
Where you going, downstairs?
We're going downstairs. We'll see y'all later.
Alright. That was horrible. What we got going on?
We're making t-shirts.
Alright, so, go ahead, tell them.
Spray paint. Hold on, you gotta hold this.
Spray
And
paint.
then we got t-shirts with pockets from Walmart.
Yep, easy, easy. So, let me flip this around. So we ordered some shirts and we have some merch coming. So we ordered some stuff, but it's not gonna be here in time for this event at OSW that we have to be at tomorrow. So Gigi had a great idea. Let's just spray paint it. So we've got some vinyl cut. We're gonna put it down on the t-shirts and we're gonna spray paint, and the negative space will be the logo. So that's what you guys are about to see right now. We'll see if it works. Some quick little DIY shirts because the ones that we ordered did not come in time, and we've got to represent somehow tomorrow. So we'll be wearing these. Did them a little different as well. So this one goes down the back, which is pretty stiff. And this one goes across. So turned out pretty sweet.
Would you guys like some free stickers?
Oh my god!
Follow us on Instagram and YouTube.
Holy shit! This shit's sick! This shit's fucking sick!
I told him we'd get a live customer reaction where he'd freak out. I knew he would.
right, so we are walking around OSW right now, trying to find the homies. We're handing out distinct stickers right now and asking people to sub up to the YouTube.
I don't know where they went.
Because footwork and getting out there, you know, word of mouth, it still works. We forget about it because social media, but it still works. So we've got the homies running around with a bunch of slaps, but I don't know where they went. They've got to be out by the track. Let's go find them.
If you have a cool 240 and you don't have a sticker, we'll just put one on for you. Here's a perfect example.
Yeah. One out, what, 15 horsepower in
Yep.
each car?
Now he's A distinct.
Next time.